about this particular, alkyl halides, we have one or two specific reactions of alkyl halides. Like if you put, suppose Rx in the magnesium in the presence of dry ether, then it forms RMgX, which is known as Grignard reagent. And the question over here is that why RMgX is prepared under the anhydrous conditions. Question is, in other words, you can say that why RMgX, that is Grignard reagent, is prepared in the presence of dry ether, why not a hydrous ether? The reason behind it is basically when you put water in the Grignard reagent, basically it forms, or you can say it hydrolyzed to alkane. So this is the reason behind the formation or the preparation of the Grignard reagent from Rx, that is in the dry conditions. Similarly, we have organolithium compounds also, and like this we have a Grignard reagent. So basically in these two types of the compounds are used for the preparation of alcohols, which we will be discussing in the subsequent chapter, that is alcohol, phenol and ethers. So in that you will see that how Grignard reagent can be used to prepare alcohols from the carbonyl compounds. So here we just complete this alkyl halide. One question we have is that the question is like the reaction of Rx, that is alkyl halides, with alcoholic KOH forms alkene, whereas the reaction of Rx, that is alkyl halide again, with the aqueous KOH form alcohols. Now this is the question you have. You need to tell why is it so. If you read the question carefully, at the last it is written as Rx on reaction with the aqueous KOH gives alcohols. So now you can clearly see that the X of the alkyl halide is being replaced by OH, and that is why it is fetching you alcohol. So basically what is happening is that in this case the nucleophilic substitution reaction is taking place, whereas if you see a reaction of alkyl halide with the alcoholic KOH, as per the question it says that reaction of Rx with alcoholic KOH gives alkenes. Now we know that Rx form alkenes only in the one type of reaction, that is the elimination reaction, or in the entire reaction mechanism you can say that it is only the elimination reaction which actually forms alkene. So in this question, because alkene is being formed as a product, that means elimination reaction must have taken place. Whereas in the second part of the question, we have that Rx on reaction with the aqueous KOH forms alcohol. So now the question actually you can change it for yourself, that Rx, when they are reacting it with the alcoholic KOH, it is forming a alkene. That means elimination reaction is taking place, which further actually explains that in an elimination reaction we need base. So therefore reaction of Rx with alcoholic KOH is the elimination reaction. That means in that case what must have been happening is that alcoholic KOH is acting as a base, whereas the reaction of the Rx with the aqueous KOH is fetching you alcohols, that is ROH. So in this case what is happening is that the OH of the KOH is basically replacing X in the alkyl halide. So therefore this is an example of nucleophilic substitution.